Hi everyone, today we're at HDB Keat Hong Axis Estate, Block 807, Choa Chu Kang Avenue 1. Today, we have an excellent 5-room MOP flat just for you to see. Do stay in Property 65 as we unravel this super spacious and unblocked view unit just for you. Let's head up to the unit.
This 5-room flat offers bright and airiness, and the best part is, there is no direct neighbours looking into your home. Located along 807C Choa Chu Kang Avenue 1, this unit is only 2 minutes walk to Keat Hong Shopping Centre and Choa Chu Kang Wet Market, 5 minutes to Keat Hong LRT station, and 4 bus stops away from Choa Chu Kang MRT. You can find Prime Supermarket, U-Star Smart, KFC, McDonald's, bakeries, food centres, hardware stores, and many more shops all within 5 minutes walk. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 9 primary schools within 2 km radius. Within 1 km, you can find Choa Chu Kang Primary School, Concord Primary School, and Southview Primary School. This is one of the newer HDB estates in Choa Chu Kang. With a size of 1,206 square feet, it is an actual corner unit. This unit is sized at 1,206 square feet. It comes with a super spacious living and possible enclosable study room, 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, bathroom, and a kitchen with a yard.
Hi everyone, I'm back. Welcome to this newly MOP 5-room flat HDB at Choa Chu Kang Avenue 1. Block 807C. This house is really huge. It's 1,102 square meters, which is 1,206 square feet, but it doesn't look like 112 square meters. It looks like more than 120 square meters. Look at this space over here with a proper living area, dining area, open concept kitchen, and an enclosable kitchen at the corner over there. It's really usable and spacious functionality just for you. Come on over to this rare part of this home. You can see this magnificent greenery view. It is facing Keat Hong Gardens, where you get unblocked distance between your unit and somewhere very far away, which gives maximum brightness into this home. You can't even tell that this home is just a mid-floor because it feels like above level 15 due to the ventilation and the brightness into this beautiful home.
The living room is designed with a wood colour theme, spacious layout, and breathtaking views of a park with unblocked bright vistas. Ample seating areas. Place any type of sofas and armchairs you desire, as it can be perfectly arranged to the utmost relaxation and coziness. Positioned strategically, the dining areas offers captivating views of Keat Hong Gardens, creating a captivating backdrop for meals and gatherings. Welcome to a kitchen that seamlessly combines functionality and style, featuring a dry and wet section along with a charming breakfast counter adorned with Peranakan tiles with a touch of elegance. The countertops are made of durable and easy-to-clean materials, providing a spacious workspace for meal preparation and serving. Pick a bedroom and this can be your kids' room. Buy furniture to spice up this spacious room to create a vibrant and playful space to spark imagination and creativity. The other bedroom can easily turn into a cozy bedroom designed for comfort and warmth, or remain this concept and create your own walk-in wardrobe to store all your diverse apparels. Where can I find more eatery and shopping options? With 2 LRT stops to Keat Hong LRT, you will be at Choa Chu Kang MRT, where you can shop at Lot 1 Mall. You can explore shops and amenities such as the Choa Chu Kang Public Library, Ajisan Ramen, Old Chang Kee, Courts, Fair Price Supermarket, Japan Home, and many more. You can also transit to the upcoming Jurong Ridging Line and directly head to the Jurong East or Boon Lay. Such a convenient location for residents who are working in the Jurong district. Finally, step into this incredibly spacious master bedroom that exudes a homely and welcoming atmosphere. Despite its grand size, this bedroom has been thoughtfully designed to feel cozy and inviting, creating a peaceful retreat within your home. Large window frames, serene views of the surrounding landscape, filling the room with natural light and creating a connection to the outdoors.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour and I hope you love this wonderful unit that you have just seen. It's a newly 5-room MOP flat and it's a corner unit. If you like this unit, feel free to contact me and we can showcase to you this wondrous unit today. Please like, share and subscribe, and we can be found on all social media platforms. Link in the description box below. Thank you everybody. And in Property 65, we uplift your home value, we sell higher, and contact us to explore more your house choices.